So excited for today's recipe where you and I are cooking mango shrimp stir fry. I'm gonna serve this with rice, so I'm gonna get that going in a pot, just rice and water in there. Now, if the mango that you bought at the store is in really large chunks and the frozen mango, you can thaw it out and then cut it into smaller pieces. Let's get the stir fry started by heating up a pan, adding some oil, and I'm gonna saute some chopped onions. Now that my onions are golden and really translucent, it's time to add some garlic. Toast it up like this for about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna add some soy sauce, chili paste or sriracha, and we stir it. Let's add some lime juice in there and bring it to a simmer. And the measurements to this recipe are always gonna be right below the video, so don't worry, just watch, cook along. To our onion and soy sauce mixture and all that good stuff, I'm going to add my shrimp. I'm placing them all in a pan, and once they turn pink on one side, I'm gonna use kitchen tongs to flip them all over and cook the other side. Obviously, the shrimp that are furthest away from the heat source are gonna take a little bit longer to cook, so you can always trade places without flipping your shrimp. Now check this out. This shrimp right here, they've already started to curl, to shrink a little bit. It's turning pink. So that is when you would flip it over to the other side. Now that my shrimp is cooked, I'm gonna take the mango and put it right in the pan. It's really important to cut your mango pieces really small so that they cook quicker and they start to release the juice faster and you don't overcook your shrimp. If you have some large pieces that are still not soft, you can move the shrimp to the sides of the pan and bring the mango towards the middle where the heat source is so that the heat focuses on the mango chunks and the shrimp isn't getting as much. I'm gonna sprinkle some shredded coconut right over the top, totally optional here, but I love it, and I'm gonna give it a stir and turn off the heat. So I just served myself a bowl of some rice as my base. Let's check these out. My mother would be counting how many shrimp we each get to make sure it's a fair trade, but me, I'm just gonna serve some. Unbelievable. Hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to do this every single week. See you next time.